Yeah. Before we head straight to this Race G, okay, meron kaming trade-in. Most of the brands yatanggap namin for trade-in, pero hindi lahat And highly suggested, fully paid na yung unit. So, pwede rin ng transfer approval. Kung ayaw mo na, nagbago isip mo, dun sa brand na meron kang financing approval, pwede may transfer dito yan. And just in case, sa ibang Toyota, wala yung color na gusto mo, baka nandito sa amin. So, pwede mo transfer approval. Right? Tara, simulan natin. This one is gray metallic. I have a separate vlog for this na red color. Yan, dilim against the light. Yeah. That's the Race G. It's the mid variant, guys. Almost complete na to lahat. Actually, kompleto na. Yan. And tatlong variants to. Merong turbo. That's 1.0 turbo, equivalent to 1.5 engine. And merong E variant. So, bottom line, depende sa budget nyo. And minsan, nagkakatalo sa promo. Yan. So, itong Race G, most of the time, ito yung merong added subsidy or discount. Yan, that's the Race G Gray Metallic. Okay. Some call it charcoal. Yan. Maganda yan kasi hindi halata yung alikabok. And hindi rin halata agad yung mga gasgas. Just in case in the future. Okay? Nice. So, ikutan natin siya. Yan yung design ng headlight. Nice. And meron yung fog lights. Nice. Ganda. So, yan. Kita nyo. Mukhang mesh yung grills niya. Okay? And the Toyota emblem. Yan. Nice. Gray metallic. And look at that mags. Anong size ba nitong mags na to? This one is 16 inches mags. Yan. Nice. So, meron to integrated signal light. Ganda. Usually, pang top of the line yan eh. Pero dito, even sa mid variant, meron tayong integrated signal light sa side mirror. And what's best is meron tong smart entry. Okay? This is not a button. I-place mo lang yung daliri mo dyan. Okay? So, magre-react na yan. Either mag-lock or unlock. Okay? Ganda. And yung iba nag-worry, gagana lang po yan kapag malapit yung susi dito sa vehicle. Pag na-detect niya na malapit. Okay? So, yan yung side mirror natin. Nice. Tara, let's go inside. So, door panel design, silver accent. Window controls, merong central lock ng windows, of course. Meron tayong auto retract. So, every time you unlock this unit, sasabay yung side mirror. Ang gandang indicator niyan para alam mo kung nakalock na. Sometimes kapag tayo, di ba, meron tayong keyless entry. Paulit-ulit natin pinipindot kasi just to make sure kung nakalock na, di ba? So, every time you see the side mirror is folded, it means lock na siya. Okay? Pero pwede mo pa rin siya i-manual retract and fold. So, ito nakita niyo cursor buttons. Yan, cursor button na para i-adjust yung side mirrors. So, ito yung pang-select kung left or right na side mirror ang i-adjust mo. Okay? This is hard plastic. Okay? Ito meron siyang soft leather. Okay? Hard plastic. Right? Door function, door lock. Okay? 2 cup holders beneath. Nice. Extended siya. 1 speaker under. Okay? Pang-open ng gas natin. Nice. Okay? Visualize nyo lang before we enter. Traction button. Nice. That is to balance the wheels. Then, this one is the cup holder. Aircon vent design. Okay, kita nyo? Meron siyang silver accent here. Ganda. So, let's go inside. So, kita nyo yung steering wheel control. So, ito yung pang-navigate mo para sa settings dito sa LCD. So, okay, pag naka-start yan, mananavigate mo dyan yung mga LCD. Ay, yung mga settings. So, may mga icons dyan. Ito yung pang-navigate mo. To enter or to back. Okay? Trip meter, voice command, volume controls. Nice. So, ito yung pang-skip ng music or song. Ito yung mode na shortcut. This one, ulit-ulit ko, lagi itong paboritong i-discuss. So, kapag pinipindot mo to, magsacycle ka between AM, FM, or Bluetooth. Yan. So, this one is the power mode. It means power mode yung engine mo. So, mas aggressive yung andar mo niyan. Yan. Okay? Then, guys, ito yung mga controls dito. Everything same. Kung ano yung nakagisnan nyo sa mga sasakyan nyo. Right? So, ito naman yung infotainment natin na monitor. Yan. Look at this, guys. Ito yung kamay ko. Yan. Ganyan siya kalaki. Ganda. Volume button, home button, and back button. Okay? So, aircon vent, hazard button. Okay? So, temperature control. Push start button. Ganda. And blower control. Yan. Rotary siya, guys. Thermostat on off, air circulation, rear defogger, guys, off button, automax. Yan. So, ito yung design ng shift knob natin. Inline siya. It means line, yeah. Padiretso siya. Okay? Versus pag nakita kayo mga shift knob is yung palikuliko, that's gate type. So, this one is inline. Line design. So, ang mga drive modes natin is park, reverse, neutral, drive. So, sa drive mode is, meron tayong plus minus. Pero wala tayong paddle shifter, guys, ha. Pero, kung meron kang uphill, downhill, yan ang very ideal. Meron tayong Tiptronic plus minus. And, just in case na mismo lang yung manual transmission. Ganda. So, may lumalabas na mga gear dyan. Even though CVT siya, at least meron kang plus minus. Okay? Yan. Then, meron tayong classic power supply dito. Kita nyo, yan yung bilog. Oh. Yan. Then, this one is merong USB connectivity. Okay? Yan. Kita nyo ba? Okay? Nice. So, ito, lapagan ng phone or coins. Ganda. Then, the classic handbrake. Solid pa rin talaga to. Di mo kailangan tumingin, grab lang. Ito, pwedeng lapagan ng phone. So, ito yung center pocket natin. Nice. Ang ganda. Maluwag naman siya. Okay? And tignan natin yung design ng seats. Ganda nung upholstery niya. Yan, oh. Okay? Meron siyang full fabric. Then, meron yung may design. Red lining. Okay? Yan. Nice. So, ang design natin sa passenger is almost the same. Yan. Window controls. Okay? Door mechanism. Lock. Silver accent. Dalawa rin ang cup holder natin. Okay. Glove compartment. Yan. Ganda. Lagayan natin ng mga warranty. Okay. Another cup holder dito. Nice. Aircon vent. And this one is hard plastic, guys. Ganda. Yan. Right. Nice. Oh. Headliner. Meron tayong hawakan dito. Yan, may salamin. Pwede magsalamin si Mrs. And ito ang ating ilaw. So push siya, off, then door function. So the door function, iilaw yan every time na may open na door. Just to remind you, baka makalimutan mo, umaandar ka, may bukas palang pinto. So meron din salamin sa driver side. Yan. And we're done sa first row. Actually, ang ganda nitong, and by the way, meron ditong secret pocket under. Kita nyo ba? Yan. Pwede dito yung phone. Yan. Okay? So, done tayo sa first row. Actually, nagustuhan ng mga tao dito sa race is the ground clearance. Ang ganda ng ground clearance niya. Yan talaga ang number one nila nagugustuhan. And, by the way, nakakategorize na to as SUV, So, ang ganda nung look niya, sobra. And with this hammerhead design ng bumper. Yan, like yung kanina tinignan natin. Yun talaga nagugustuhan ng mga tao dito. Then at 1.2 engine, the best, ang tipid sa gas. Di ba? Nice. Tara, second row tayo. So, ito yung design ng door panel niya. Door mechanism, okay? Window control, door handle, hawakan. Isang cup holder. Okay, hindi siya extended. One speaker. Ganda. So, everything is hard plastic. Ayan. I hope you can hear it. Ayan. So, actually guys, mapansin nyo sa lahat naman ng sasakyan, plastic na yung mga door panel niyan. Para mas maging lightweight, mas hindi nahihirapan yung engine. Okay? Minsan naalala ko kasi yung mga old school na tao, hindi nila matanggap yan. Gusto nila yung mas matigas daw yung kaha. Laos na po yun, yung matigas na kaha. That's old school, guys. So, tatlo ang headrest natin dito. Yan. Malaking factor yan kapag nag-crash kayo. Yan. Para hindi humampas yung ulo nyo. Actually, yan yung function yan. So, meron tayo center cabin light. See that? Okay. Then, meron tayong tonneau cover. Kita nyo yan. That's for privacy. Para hindi makita na may backpack ka dyan. Meron ka palang laptop. Para hindi basagin tong salamin mo. Okay? So, sa likod niyan is meron lagayan ng files. Diba? Nice. Very nice. So, Isofix. Isofix to. So, pwede nyo ikabit yung car seat ng baby nyo. Okay? Nice. Ganda. Yeah. So guys, hindi ko mabubuksan yung likod, pero I have another vlog na nabuksan ko yung likod. That's the Race G color red. And yeah, eto hindi ko mabubuksan right now kasi low bat siya. So yan, ang ganda ng design ng taillight natin. Diba? Race emblem. Nice. And meron tayong dalawang backing sensor. Yan. Actually, baka may magreklamo pa dyan. Bakit dalawa lang? Kasi sa yung ibang mga model is 4. So actually, dalawa, enough na yan. Yung 4 na lang, para yung sa mga ideal sa mga mas malalapad na kotse. And meron ka ng backing sensor plus backing camera. Diyos ko guys, sa amin dati, wala kami mga ganito. And ewan ko na lang kung babangga ka pa. Di ba? So, meron tayong wiper. Third mount stop lamp. For visibility, shark fin antenna. So, the G emblem. Ayan. So, by the way, meron tong reflector. Ayan. For night visibility. Solid. Ang ganda nito, guys. Yan. Okay. This one is the gray metallic. Dito sa mid-variant, madalas yung may mas malaking discount. Among the 3 variants. Okay. Yan. So, ang pinakamaganda dito is yung ground clearance. Yun yung the best talaga dito. Yung mga napatransfer ako dito coming from other brands. Okay? And by the way, ayun na naman tayo sa mga nagwawala, nagagalit dahil wala daw price. Ito na po. Huwag magalit. 942,000. Okay? It's the Race G, the mid variant. Yeah. And we're done. So, isang ikot na lang. Sayang naman yung click nyo para nakita nyo itong Race G. And by the way, kung mag-visit kayo nitong showroom, advise me, bigyan nyo akong heads up para ma-check ko muna kung may unit. Okay? Nice. So, para siyang black tuwing gabi. Okay? Yan, inulit ko, ang ganda niyan kasi hindi halata yung gas-gas and yung mga alikabok. Para sa mga OC natin na car wash ng car wash. Yan. Yep, we're done. So, that's it. That's the Race G. Tawag lang anytime. Baka mamaya wala kaming display. Trade in, by schedule ang trade in ha. Huwag kayo basta-basta sugod. Baka mamaya wala pala yung appraisers namin. Okay? Then transfer approval. Baka wala sa kausap nyo yung available color, baka nasa amin. Baka mas maganda yung offer na promo namin, di ba? So guys, mas madalas kami magkakaroon ng mga premium units like Land Cruiser and BZ4X, yung mga yan. Tawag lang, huwag mahiya. That's it. Bye.